Welcome to South Burlington Mazda. My name is Laird, and today I would love to show you how to set up the My Mazda app using Mazda connected services. So once you've gone to the process of downloading the My Mazda app, which you can find in either your App Store or the Google Play Store. So now we'll open the app. So the first step is we're in US. If English is your primary language, we'll confirm. So we'll go through and we're gonna agree to the terms and conditions and the privacy policy. And yes, you are an owner of your new Mazda. So if we go to the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, we're gonna click register. Here you'll put in your email and then confirm it. Then you'll put in your mobile number. After you do that, you're gonna get a text from the My Mazda app confirming this is your phone. Once your phone is validated, then we can go forward and continue making your account with Mazda. So you'll put your name, address in the app. You'll make your Mazda password. One nice thing is when you do make your password, there is a great button you can checkbox on the login to the app to either use biometrics to log in or it'll just remember you. So now that we're at the Welcome to Mazda screen, we're going to add a vehicle. So if we tap the white boxes, Add Vehicle, we are then going to be prompted to give the app permission to use your camera. You're going to go to the car. So what we're going to do, once we're at this step, scan VIN. If we tap that, I've already given my phone access to my camera. So if we turn on right here, we're at this beautiful Mazda CX-90. In all of the new cars, you're gonna find a barcode right here. And just, you can line it right up on your phone screen. It will automatically pull the VIN. And then if you click next, we'll validate. It'll show this car is available. If we hit next, we'll pick South Burlington Mazda as my preferred dealer. You can even name your car the Stallion. So then, if we click out here, we can click Submit. So we've added, and then we can enroll into Mazda Connected Services. Thank you so much for spending some time with us today. If you have any questions at all, please let us know. We're here by phone, email, text, whatever you need. We're happy to help.